In this video, we are going to discuss about technical management function. What is a technical management function? The technical management function in one line is maintaining technical knowledge and also the expertise. That means maintaining the technical knowledge and also expertising in that technical knowledge. So coming to the objectives of the technical management function, to design of efficient, resilient and cost effective IT infrastructure for the organization. So based on technical management documentations, we design the efficient and also cost effective IT infrastructure for the organization, maintain technical knowledge and also expertise as required to manage this IT infrastructure, ensure availability of actual technical resources when required, especially during the failures. That means availability of technical resources which are required when the failure occurs also plays as a key objective in technical management function. Other activities and roles within the ITIL process or as directed by organization. That means it also plays as a key role within the ITIL processes and also as directed by the organizations as well. Provide technical resources for complete life cycle. That means they design the technical, based on the technical resource, they design the life cycle, build it, test it, transition is occurred, implementation is occurred and also improvement is occurred after the implementation. So coming to the major key concepts in technical management functions are technical management alignment. That means alignment as per technical lines. That means any services or tickets which needs to go to the mainframes, networks, servers will be moving forward or will be moved forward accordingly. Activities: manage life cycle of organization IT infrastructure. That means they manage the life cycle of the organization's IT infrastructure. Maintain knowledge database based on the technical resources what they have. Constantly update the technical expertise. So what are the key roles and responsibilities in technical management? The key roles and responsibilities are of technical managers, technical leads, technical analysts and technical operators. What are their main responsibilities? The responsibilities are leadership management and also managing the activities under them, arranging trainings and other activities to update the technical knowledge, reporting to senior management, ensuring policies and processes are in place and maintaining the technical database or technical knowledge database.